Hey beautiful, I'm Whitney and this is my YouTube channel. Welcome. In this video, we will be creating an eyeshadow look using the Huda Beauty New Nude palette. I've already primed my eyes with Urban Decay's Primer Potion. Using my Sigma E35 and going into the shade Bare, I am going to set my eyelids. Using my Sigma E38, I'm going into the shade Play. And we're just going to apply this to the crease. Maybe just a little bit higher than the crease and just a little bit lower. Using the Sigma E38, we're going into the shade Tickle. Again, we're just applying this to the crease in windshield wiper motions. I like to go a little bit higher so that it lifts my eyes up. Using that same brush, I'm going to go into tease. And we're just going to apply tease to the outer corner. Using our E38, we're going into Love Bite. I just want to kind of deepen up the tease color. We're taking our E16 and going into the shade Play. Now we're just going to apply this right underneath our waterline, starting from the outer corner to the inner corner.
I wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody that's cool.
Taking that same brush, we're going into the shade Tickle. And we're just doing the same thing we did with the other color. Using the same brush, we're going into the shade Tease, applying this to our outer corner. Using our Sigma E16, we're going into the shade Love Bite. And again, we're just gonna apply this to our outer corner, ever so lightly. Using my E21, I'm just gonna smudge this on out. Now we're gonna do a cut crease, so just grab some foundation and I guess a concealer brush or whatever brush you wanna use. I use the Sigma E62, the cut crease brush. And I'm not gonna go all the way out. Using my Sigma E58, I'm going into the shade Kinky. Now I'm just gonna tap it on. All right, so we're gonna do the same thing to the other eye. Using my E45, I'm going into the shade Tickle. Now I'm gonna apply Tickle just a little bit above our crease. I just wanna blend that in because even though it is a cut crease, it just really bothers me a lot of times when things aren't blended. All right, again, taking our E38, we're going into the shade Tease. So we're gonna apply it to our outer corners just to kind of blend that color in a little bit. Y'all know we're gonna deepen it up with Love Bite. I'm using my Sigma E43. Using our E37, we're just going to smoothen this out. All right, using our E38, we're just going to blend this line right here. Using our E58, we're going into the shade Daydream. Okay, so we're just gonna kind of pack this on in the inner corner. Now with just the tip of that brush, I'm just gonna slowly just kind of blend this out. I decided to use my setting spray. I'm gonna go and spray my brush and go back into that shade Daydream. I just want to give it a little bit more pop towards the inner corner. Okay, so now I'm using my Kylie Ultra Glow in Santorini and my E46. Just gonna apply this to the inner corners of my eyes. We're gonna use our E20 and go into Santorini. We're going to use this as our brow bone highlighter. You guys are not gonna like me, but we're taking our E38 and we're going into T's. Decided I wanna bring this up just a tiny bit more. All right, using our E37, we're just going to soften this up. Maybe direct some of that down here. And because I did that, we're gonna go back in and reapply our brow bone highlighter.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No!
Sorry guys. This is what it's like being me a lot. I changed my mind. I go back on things and I'm like,
To drink to myself. So I'ma have another no. I don't need a hand to hold tight.
Now I'm gonna apply my lash primer and mascara off camera. Okay everyone, here is the final look.
Someone that's on my mind. I want something that's all cool. And it don't waste my time. Yeah, I just want somebody. Just want somebody.
That concludes today's video. Thank you guys so much for joining me. If you guys enjoyed it, please hit that like button and subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Bye.
So I control the volume. I like to dance by myself. So I can do my own moves. No, I don't need a hand to hold tight. Don't need a love that's all mine. But sometimes